Guys, I've been waiting on this. I got my man spot. Been waiting on this thing. And I got it, and I'm so happy. Guys sent it to me. Let's open her up. See what we got. Oh, there it is. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Nice. Ooh. They say that's real sensitive, really nice. It doesn't cut your nick or grab. Can't wait. Try that out. Look at that. What else we got? Okay, we got all the heads, brushes. What else? What else is it? And it's rechargeable. All right, good deal. That's what we need. Look at that. Rechargeable C. I'll get this so you guys can see it. I charge this thing up, and it's ready to go. Let's look at that. Oh yeah, quiet. You can't hear it. Waterproof. Everything. Now let's do a test. It says it doesn't nick. I'm real sensitive. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, nice. Look, and it doesn't nick or cut. Look. Bam, bam. Look at that. No problem. It doesn't. Look at that. Oh. All right. Wife's going to like that. She may like it so much, she'll use it herself. Look at that. It says man spot, but hey, women can use it too. Look at that. Boom. I like it. Great job, man spot.